Despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think.